Hello, welcome back to Kravez Foodie. Our dish for today is chicken caldereta. Ingredients: onion, garlic, fish sauce, soy sauce, potato, carrot, bell pepper, liquid seasoning, liver spread, thyme, basil, pepper, cayenne, rosemary, bay leaf, cheese and tomato sauce. Chicken. Heat up the pan and add some cooking oil. Then pan grill the chicken to release its natural oil and flavor. Pan grill the other side. Make some space in the middle so that we can saute our aromatics. Saute the garlic. Add the onion. Mix it well. Add the spices. Then add the liquid seasoning. Add soy sauce. Add fish sauce. Then mix it all together. Again, make some space for the tomato sauce to cook. We cook the tomato sauce to release its sweet and umami flavor. This will also prevent spoilage and makes our dish last longer. Let it simmer to make the chicken tender. And lastly, add some pickles for added flavor. Set it aside. In another pan, heat up the cooking oil for our vegetables. Fry the carrots. Fry also the potatoes. This will prevent spoilage and will add a crispy texture instead of mushy texture. Add the liver spread. This is the ingredient that makes this dish different from affrittata. Then lastly, add lot of cheese. That is how easy to cook a caldereta. Its red sauce was so amazing. This was just the perfect recipe for this kind of dish. Try this recipe and let us know how it turns out in the comment section below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.